Hello iPhone users, whether you have the latest iPhone 14 or an older model like the iPhone X, there might come a time when you need to perform a factory reset to erase all your data. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of hard resetting your iPhone and ensuring that your personal information is wiped clean. So for this method, we're going to be factory resetting your iPhone using the Apple support or coming from the instructions of Apple support. So step 1. As follows, you need to backup your device. So first things first, it's crucial to backup your device. You wouldn't want to lose any important data. You can do this by following these simple steps. So we can just click the link here, and we have the backup method. So you can use your iCloud or your MacBook or your PC. So you can choose either of these three. And step 2 is accessing the reset options. Next, tap on settings, then general, and look for the transfer or reset device. So tap on settings, there we go, and it will give you a prompt here, transfer or reset iPhone. Then you can just follow the instructions or you can erase all content and settings like step. Then step 3 is authentication. So if prompted, enter your device passcode or Apple ID password to proceed. So if you forgot your passcode or Apple ID password, you can just click on the new tab here and it will take you to the settings on how to reset your Apple ID password or how to regain access to your iPhone using your passcode. Step 4 is to confirm erasure. So confirm that you want to erase your device. Remember, this action will erase all your data, so make sure you have a backup. So if you have an eSIM like so, you can choose to erase your eSIM or keep it. If you erase your eSIM, you need to contact your carrier to reactivate your cellular plan. Then step 5 is wait for erasure. Now patiently wait for your device to erase all its data. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. And there you have it. You've successfully performed a factory reset on your iPhone. Whether it's the latest iPhone 14 or an older model like the iPhone 10, your device is now fresh and clean. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to a clean slate on your iPhone.